Lifting and handling fire doors weighing up to 120 kilograms is made simple with the H&S Lifting Solutions vacuum lifter. Designed for single-person operation, the lifter uses a simple lever control to grip, lift, lower and release with precision and confidence. Trusted by many fire door manufacturing companies, this technology helps reduce manual handling, improve operator safety and significantly increase productivity on the factory floor. As shown here, the vacuum lifter is supported by our XY overhead aluminium crane system, allowing doors to be transferred smoothly from one manufacturing process to the next. The system also allows the load to be easily rotated and positioned in any direction, giving the operator full control even while the door is suspended in the air. Heavy, awkward loads made to look easy with H&S Lifting Solutions vacuum lifting technology.